Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Anglo.
If you're new here, welcome. This is our 6th video, so you're joining us right as we're sharing more real English lessons every week.
English learning is going to be fun, natural, and simple.
A lot of people struggle with English, but it really doesn't need to be hard.
And we say this so many times because it's true. Once you see English as fun and easy, becoming fluent will start to feel natural.
Today, we're going to focus on something many learners find tricky, talking about yourself in English.
Your job is to listen, repeat if you have to, and slowly it will start to feel natural.
Yup, small practice every day is how you go from I know some words to I can actually use English.
And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future lessons.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English and drop a comment telling us, have you ever struggled to talk about yourself in English? Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where someone says, so, tell me about yourself?
And you're like, I know English.
But your brain is like,
Blank.
and you start struggling to find exactly what to say.
Like you know English.
But the words don't come out the way you want.
And after you speak, you're thinking,
Wait, I didn't even answer the question.
yeah, that feeling is real.
So listen, if this happens to you,
Stay with us until the end,
because we're going to give you a simple introduction you can copy.
and we'll practice it with you step by step.
Next time someone says, tell me about yourself,
You won't freeze.
you'll feel ready.
And honestly, I've seen this happen in real life.
Okay, tell us.
Okay, I met this girl from Brazil a while ago.
All right.
She was super friendly, and her English was actually pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
We were talking normally, just casually, and I asked her, so, tell me about yourself.
And?
She froze, like completely.
No.
Yeah, you could literally see her brain searching for words.
Like her brain was trying to pick the right pieces.
Exactly. She started like this. Hi, my name is, I'm from Brazil, and I...
Oh.
The sad part is, she actually had a lot to say.
Right.
She just didn't know how to organize it.
So it wasn't an English problem.
It was a structure problem.
Yes.
And that's why today's topic is so important.
Because this question comes up everywhere.
New classmates,
New coworkers,
new friends,
language exchanges,
job interviews,
even online.
and the truth is,
If you have a simple plan,
you feel calmer
you sound more confident.
and you don't panic.
So let's start building a simple way to introduce yourself. We'll do it in 3 parts today.
First, your name.
Second, where you're from.
And third, what you do and your hobbies.
Let's warm up by actually introducing ourselves. We'll show you how to do it formally first.
Perfect. I'll start. Hello, my name is Kendall. Nice to meet you.
Great, and I'll go, hello, my name is Riley. Nice to meet you.
See? Simple and clear. Now let's try a few more names so you can practice along.
Hello, my name is Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Lucas. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Amir. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Priya. Nice to meet you.
Awesome. You can repeat each one after us to practice. Okay, now let's try the informal way. Imagine you're meeting new friends at a party or just hanging out.
Right. I'll start. Hey, I'm Kendall.
Hey, I'm Riley.
See? Short, friendly, easy to say. Let's try a few more names.
Hey, I'm Sophia.
Hey, I'm Lucas.
Hey, I'm Amir.
Hey, I'm Priya.
Perfect. You can repeat each one after us to get the feel of it.
And notice how informal feels relaxed. You don't need nice to meet you here. Just your name is enough to start a friendly conversation.
Exactly. You'll use this when you meet classmates, neighbors, or friends at a party. No pressure, just a friendly greeting. Now that we've practiced saying our names, let's talk about where we're from.
I'll start. I'm from Brazil, and I live in Sao Paulo.
I'm from Mexico, and I live in Mexico City.
I'm from India, and I live in Mumbai.
I'm from Poland, and I live in Warsaw.
I'm from Canada, and I live in Toronto.
I'm from Japan, and I live in Osaka.
I'm from Egypt, and I live in Cairo.
Perfect. You can repeat each one after us to practice.
And notice there are many ways to give a little more detail. You can use born in or originally from if your city now is different from where you were born.
For example, I was born in Sao Paulo, Brazil, but I live in Toronto now.
Or, I'm originally from Mexico City, but I live in Berlin now.
I was born in Mumbai, India, but I live in London now.
I'm originally from Warsaw, Poland, but I live in New York City now.
I was born in Cairo, Egypt, but I live in Sydney now.
See? It gives your listener a clear picture of your story.
Exactly. Just the city and country plus where you live now is enough. Short, clear, and natural.
See? Keeping it short and clear is perfect. Okay, now that we've introduced ourselves and where we're from, let's talk about what we do. I'll start. I work as a software developer.
I'm a student. I study business at university.
Let's try a few more examples. You repeat after us.
I work as a graphic designer.
I work as a chef at a local restaurant.
I'm a student. I study computer science.
I work in customer service for a bank.
And remember, you can keep it short. I'm a nurse.
I'm a teacher.
That's enough for someone to understand.
Right. You don't need a long sentence. Just a simple phrase works.
I'm an engineer.
I'm a driver.
I work in marketing.
I work in sales.
I work in sales.
See? Keeping it short and clear is perfect. Just you say the job, or I study, and you say the subject. People will understand.
And after talking about work or studies, people usually ask about your hobbies. So let's practice that.
I'll start. In my free time, I like reading novels.
I enjoy playing football and going to the gym.
I love cooking and trying new recipes.
I'm really into photography and hiking.
I like watching movies and listening to music.
In my free time, I enjoy painting and going for long walks.
I'm a big fan of video games and learning new languages.
I love playing the guitar and singing with friends.
I like traveling and exploring new cities whenever I can.
And you can mix jobs and hobbies in the same sentence too. For example,
I'm Lucas. I work as a doctor and I love running.
I'm Priya. I'm a student and I enjoy dancing.
I'm Amir. I'm a teacher and I love watching movies.
I'm Sophia. I'm a chef and I enjoy traveling.
I'm Daniel. I'm an engineer and I like playing football on weekends.
I'm Aisha. I'm a nurse and in my free time I like hiking and painting.
I'm Miguel. I work in marketing and I love cooking and exploring new restaurants.
See? Just a few simple sentences, but they give a clear picture of who you are.
And the best part is, you can practice these sentences out loud or even change the names, jobs, and hobbies to match your own life.
Exactly. The more you practice, the easier it will feel to introduce yourself naturally in English.
Okay, now we've done with the names, where you're from, what you do, hobbies.
Now comes the part people always struggle with.
Yeah, when someone asks, "So, what are you like?"
Or they say, "Tell me about yourself."
And you're just standing there like,
And you can't even describe what kind of person you are.
Exactly. Let's start with a confident personality.
Okay, I'll go first. I'm confident person.
Like you believe in yourself and you're not scared to speak up. I'm outgoing.
So you're friendly, social, and you enjoy talking to people. I'm friendly.
You're easy to talk to and people feel comfortable around you. I'm talkative.
You like conversations. You're not quiet. You actually enjoy talking.
I'm energetic.
You have a lot of energy, and people can feel it when you walk into a room.
Practice round. Okay, repeat after us.
Ready.
I'm confident.
I'm confident.
I'm outgoing.
I'm outgoing.
I'm friendly.
I'm friendly.
I'm talkative.
I'm talkative.
I'm energetic.
I'm energetic. Okay, now let's do the shy personality type.
Because a lot of people are shy, and that's totally normal.
And honestly, shy people are usually the coolest ones.
Facts. I'm a shy person.
I'm a shy person.
So you don't talk a lot at first, you need time to feel comfortable.
I'm quiet.
You don't speak much, but you're still listening and paying attention.
I'm reserved.
You keep things private and you don't open up immediately.
I'm calm.
You're relaxed, not loud, not dramatic, you're just peaceful.
I'm serious.
You don't joke all the time. You're more focused and mature. Repeat after us again.
Let's go.
I'm shy.
I'm shy.
I'm quiet.
I'm quiet.
I'm reserved.
I'm reserved.
I'm calm.
I'm calm.
I'm serious.
I'm serious. Okay, but wait. Real people don't just say one word.
Exactly. So now let's put them into full sentences. I'm a confident person, so I'm not afraid to talk to new people.
That sounds natural because you're giving a small reason. I'm outgoing and I love meeting new friends.
That one is perfect for social situations. I'm friendly, so I get along with people easily.
This is a great one for interviews too. I'm a little shy, especially when I meet new people.
That's super real because you're being honest. I'm quiet at first, but once I feel comfortable, I talk more.
That's one of the best sentences in real life. I'm pretty reserved, so I don't talk about my life right away.
That sounds mature, not awkward. Okay, let's act it out like real life.
Bet.
So, I meet you at a party, and I ask, "So, what are you like?"
Honestly, I'm quiet at first, but once I feel comfortable, I'm really friendly.
That was good.
Right? That sounded normal.
And it didn't feel like a textbook sentence.
Okay, viewers, your turn.
Pick one confident word or one shy word.
And say it out loud right now.
Like this. I'm friendly.
I'm calm.
And if you want to sound even more natural,
Add one extra sentence after it.
for example, I'm friendly, so I get along with people easily.
Or, I'm shy, especially in big groups.
That's it.
Simple, but it sounds real. Okay, now we've practiced everything.
Names, where you're from, what you do, hobbies, personality.
So now let's put it together like a real introduction.
Because this is the part that makes you sound fluent. All right, I'll go first. Hello, my name is Kendall. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada and I live in Toronto. I work in marketing. In my free time, I like going to the gym and watching movies. And I'd say I'm a friendly and outgoing person.
That sounded really natural.
And notice, none of that was complicated.
Okay, my turn. Hi, I'm Riley. Nice to meet you. I'm originally from Brazil, but I live in Portugal now. I'm a student and I study business. In my free time, I enjoy music and photography. And I'm pretty calm, but once I feel comfortable, I'm very friendly.
That was perfect.
And that one sentence, once I feel comfortable, makes it sound so real.
Okay, viewers, now it's your turn.
Copy this structure and just change the details.
Hi, I'm from, and I live in, now. Or I work as a, in my free time, I like, and I'm.
And you can keep it short or make it longer.
If you practice this a few times out loud,
You'll stop freezing when someone asks you about yourself.
and you'll finally feel confident.
Because your job is simple.
Listen,
Repeat if you have to.
and slowly it will start to feel natural.
And if this lesson helped you, make sure you subscribe to Speak Anglo.
Because we're posting more real English practice like this every week.
And drop a comment below. What's your name and where are you from?
We'd love to read them.
All right, see you in the next one.
Bye.